Well, I think I've come up with a game plan. You see I started cutting out the bottom already. I cut out the bottoms, both sides, welding a new piece. Got to cut this to match, fit, whatever you want to call it. Then up for the top, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this product. It's metal body filler. I'm going to put a light skin coat over these. Probably dent these in just a tad bit, recess them so there's some of this in there. And then I'm going to coat the whole inside of this with this. It's waterproof. I looked up on YouTube. A lot of guys, I don't say a lot of guys, the amateur guys like me do this because I can't bend this curve. It's flat here, curve, and then it goes up in a curve. I have no way to do it. So we're going to try doing it this way. All right, I got both of the corners cut out. The next thing to do to put my, I got finished rolling this edge over, but I'll put this patch panel on there like that, and I will tack it to the fender, and it'll be up high. So I left a little bit of flange on there. So once I cut it, then I'll come in with it'll be tacked on here now. Then I'll come in here with a cutoff wheel, cut it off, push this down to the fender, keep cutting until I hit the next tack weld, push this down to the fender, I keep calling this fender, the door, and weld it like that. That way, if I was just to cut it like this, it's hard to make your gaps, and then it has more tendency to warp and stuff. I just watched a guy on YouTube do it, so that's what I'm going to do next. Well, I got both sides all patched in, tack welded. I got to weld them all the way up yet and grind them. I decided to try welding up these little pinholes. It went okay, except for this one. I had to chase that one for a long time. Probably put the light coat of that steel filler on it and coat it from the back side. Or probably put maybe epoxy primer on it first, and then that stuff. I don't know yet. All I gotta do on the ends is, you have the seam here. I gotta weld a little piece to go down to there on each side. So after that, then there'll be a lot more doner. But yeah, it didn't go too bad. There, I got the patches all welded in, and then ground all the welds off of them. Welded up the seams and everything. This one you can see a little bit of the welds as it sunk in just a little bit, so that'll be all right. But I did discover an oil can here, so it goes back and pops in and out. I gotta fix that somehow yet. I think you're supposed to heat them up and shrink it down with water, cool it down. Did the corners. So they look somewhat not repaired, kind of original. That one too. So pretty much one door down, one to go. See you.